Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Parekh and I am from Computer Engineering branch. My roll number is C088 and my topic is adaptability. So what is adaptability? Adaptability means be someone who will get adjust with new connections. Let me understand with one example. Let's say there is one charger which is work on 10 volt, and in our home there is a power supply of 220 volt or 150 volt. So charger has a adaptability of to convert to take the 150 volt or 250 volt and adjust with it and convert that volt to 10 volt. So adaptability is the being able to change or modify it for new purposes or new uses, and for charger the new purpose is to convert 150 volt or 220 volt to 10 volt. So this is the soft definition of adaptability. Now we move forward to major one, that what is this skill is mean to us. So adaptability is the skill which refers to ability of person who can change the reaction of course or approach to doing things in order to adjust with new things. So this is all about what is adaptability. Now we move forward to importance of adaptability. So adaptability is hard to develop in ourselves, but it is very important skill in our life. Employers may usually look for adaptability when hiring the new staff, and the skill is very often included in job description because it is very important in our life. Being an adaptable student is better able to exercise control over their environment and resources, and thereby they avoid some dynamics which can lead to be failure, uncertainty and procrastination. So adaptability is makes the difference in the quality of individual's personal and professional life. If you have a great adaptability skill, you have a great management to work with your team members. And we are computer and IT students, so evolution in technology is increasing day by day. So we have to be part of the new technology, and which is nothing but how to deal with new development, new technology, and it is the adaptability skill which we need to develop. So from the personal life to professional life, adaptability is the very important in our life. So now we move forward to how we can develop this adaptability in our life. So adaptability is the natural skill and it can be developed and mastered as well. So I will be given some topics which is very important. So first point is observe and monitor the changes in your environment. You will not see the need for the change until you notice the changes in your environment. Adaptability is must not be easy only but timely as well. So always make a consequence effort to monitor the trends, values and attitudes. Compare the present observation with past ones and find out what has changed, what will we need to be changed. So this is the main point. And after the second point is be willing to learn. Observation is alone is not enough. If the result of your observation suggests you to need to learn something new, do not hesitate to do so. Do it and do it. While you can learn some things on your own when furnished with appropriate educational resources, others may require tutorials from specialists. Don't decline to use the service of professionals or professional tutorials if they necessary. Try to learn more and more. Education is the key to success, but I prefer education is key to success to excellence. So we need to be excellence, not the success only. Third point is avoid procrastination. Don't just be willing to learn. After learning some things, we need to attack, or let's say we need to necessary course of action. Remember that adaptations are more effective when the action is taken earlier. So last point is acknowledge the fact that changes are bound to be occur. Though it is difficult to let go on, you should know it is people who matter, not you. If the customer or employee to no longer need that product and expertise of yours, accept it and try to newer ventures. So these are the major points which we need to strictly follow. And at last I conclude my topic, which is one of the favorite line which is said by Japanese scholar. His name is Kakuzo Okakura, and the line is the art of life lies in the constant readjustment to our surroundings. So development skill is one of the art, and do explore more and more and make your lifestyle worth it. So this is all about adaptability, and thank you for listening. Have a great day.